What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today I want to talk about how to become a successful trading mentor. Now, I'm not going to talk about how to become an actual guru and sell unlimited courses, but I'm going to talk about how to be your own mentor. So if you were interested in becoming a guru, skip this video. If you're interested in improving your trading performance and actually making it in trading, keep watching. So today, this is what we're going to discuss. A feedback loop. And a feedback loop essentially means that you are being your own mentor. And most traders neglect this part of their trading journey, but I do think it's really essential. So we're going to dive into this in detail. I'm going to give you a lot of action points. So let's get started. So most traders fail because they don't mentor themselves. They keep trading every single day again and again and never learn from their mistakes. And that's a huge, huge issue. And yes, it takes time. It takes time to keep learning from your mistakes, to keep track of everything, but it's a great way to become better and it's free. You don't have to pay anyone else. But how to actually become a successful trading mentor for yourself? Step one, build a strategy that contains the exact rules for entry, exit, and stop placement. And then you're going to backtest that exact strategy. Now, this is going to take a lot of time. So building that strategy is going to be taking a lot of time, and then testing the strategy correctly will also take a lot of time. However, this is step one. And if you've finished this step and you like the performance and the strategy, then you go to the demo trading stage. So you're going to trade the strategy that you tested in the live market environment, but not yet using real capital. This is where the feedback loop comes in. So step two is to build a trading plan. So before you actually start trading your backtested strategy live, you first build a trading plan. So the trading plan contains the exact strategy, the markets you're going to trade, and risk management. There goes more into it, but these three things are essential. Then you trade that strategy and that plan for a month and you log everything. So that's the gather feedback step. So you start trading, you put every trade in a journal, in Excel, whatever it is, and you log everything. Now, step three then becomes analyzing the feedback. So after a month, you have 20, 30, depends on your strategy, 20, 30 trades. And then you analyze the results. And these are the questions you want to ask yourself during that analyzation phase. Did you make mistakes? Did you follow your plan? And with every single trade, you also want to log that. So did you follow your plan? And maybe after, that month, you're like, okay, I made 3 mistakes. I was very hesitant to pull the trigger and I missed 3 trades as well. That's not really good, but it gives you a great foundation to get started because now you analyze your feedback. You know what went well, you know what went wrong. Now it's time for step 4. And that is make a plan to fix the mistakes that you made. So you act on the feedback. And this is essentially you being your own mentor. And now this doesn't require chart time. So this is where most people go wrong. They are always on the chart, but mentoring yourself is often off the charts. So without the chart, just you sitting there. So while you analyze your feedback, you now know, for example, you missed 3 trades this month, and these 3 trades were profitable. Obviously, every time you miss a trade, they are profitable. Then you're going to act on the feedback. So you're going to sit with yourself and you ask yourself, okay, how can I make sure that I don't miss any trades next month? Simple. That's what you're going to think about. You come up with some plans, some ideas. You pick the plan that works best, you think is best, and then you go to step 5, which is the next month. You're going to trade with the anti-mistake plan. So the anti-mistake plan is the plan you made to prevent you from making the mistakes you made last month. And do you see how quickly you progress if you do it like this? And then you gather data again, and you're full circle. So then it's month 2, and you're doing this again. So you're gathering the feedback on your trades. End of month 2, Analyze the feedback that you got. Did you follow your plan? Did you miss anything? What went right? What went wrong? Did you have any emotions? Act on the feedback. Ask yourself the right questions and build a plan. Then execute the plan and gather feedback again. And if you do this loop year after year after year, you will improve so much and you will be ahead of your competition by miles. And most people just skip this because yes, it takes time. Yes, it's work. Yes, it might be boring to keep track of all your trades, but this is how I mainly got to where I am today. Yes, I did have a mentor where I could ask questions and all these things. Obviously, yes, I did have to build a strategy that works, true. But the execution of the strategy is the hardest part for a lot of people. And this feedback loop will help you to master that. I wasn't able to master my strategy in live markets overnight. It took time. And I used this exact principle to get there. So I used this. I built the trading plan. I gathered all the feedback, and then month after month, I became a better trader. Small steps, guys. So if you can improve as a trader every month, and I don't mean by improving, learning how to draw your line a bit better on your chart, I mean actually improving and using this mechanism, it's magic, honestly. So yeah, that's briefly what I want to discuss. Now, before we go, one more important thing. Be your own mentor first before you get a mentor. And this is, again, an issue many people have. And I think it comes from laziness, because people, yes, like having a mentor obviously is going to help if you have the right mentor. But it's also an escape for people to not put in the work themselves, to not put in, the journaling, etc. Like when I mentor people, I let them journal. So they get a mentor thinking, he will help me. He will make sure it all works out. And then I tell them, look, you got to journal everything yourself. And it's like, shit. But that's the truth, guys. You really have to put in a lot of work, and just getting a mentor to substitute for you putting in the actual work, to learning from your mistakes, that's not going to work. So be your own mentor first. Use the principles I just spoke about first for some time. Then maybe get a mentor if you need one. If it clicks, if it's someone that you trust, if it's someone that you like, if it's someone that trades similar style that you want to be trading, yes, then get a mentor, but never neglect putting in the work yourself. Now, if you want to get access to a free blueprint to trading success, some of you have already watched it, the longer version. I created a shorter but more detailed version, so I updated it. The link is also below this video. Just fill in your email address. I will send it over to you. I won't spam you with unnecessary things. I will send you some valuable insights in the emails, some free trainings as well about backtesting, psychology, etc. But I won't be, spamming you with all sorts of affiliate links and all these things. So if you want that, click the link below the video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.